Today I'm going to show you how to add a digital signature block in a PDF for someone else to sign using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful when you need to prepare documents for others to sign electronically, whether it's contracts, agreements, or approval forms. Let's get started. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to Recent Files and select the file where you want to add the signature block. This will open your PDF in the workspace. Now, look at the upper left toolbar and click on All Tools. This opens up the full range of features available in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. From here, you'll need to access the form preparation tools. In the left sidebar, click on View More, then click on Prepare a Form. This feature allows you to turn your PDF into an interactive document with fillable fields. Next, click Create Form. Adobe will process your document and prepare it for editing. This might take a moment depending on the size of your file, so be patient while the system analyzes your PDF and gets it ready for modifications. Once the form is ready, look at the left panel and click on Digital Signature. This is the key tool that will allow you to add a signature field to your document. Now comes the placement step. Drag your mouse on the PDF page to draw the signature block rectangle exactly where you want the signature to appear. Then release. You'll see a signature field box appear in that location. Now let's customize this signature block to fit your needs. Right-click on the digital signature you just added, then select Properties from the menu. This opens up the customization options for your signature field. Under the General tab, you can customize the name of the signature. This name helps identify what the signature is for or who should sign it. Next, click on Appearance in the top toolbar. Here you'll find visual customization options where you can adjust the border color, fill color, line thickness, and line style. You can also modify the text color and font style to match your document's design. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, click Close. Before finalizing everything, it's a good idea to test your signature field. In the bottom left, click the Preview button. This lets you see how the signature block will appear to the person who needs to sign the document. Finally, in the upper right, click the Save button to preserve all your changes. Your PDF now has a fully functional digital signature block ready for someone else to sign. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.